This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Water pump replacement. Pull the hood release lever located above the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable nut on the negative battery terminal. Then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Cooling system draining. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the splash shield between the bumper cover and the subframe. Remove the radiator cap. Move a large container under the radiator drain to catch the coolant. Using a large screwdriver, open the radiator drain plug and direct the coolant into the container. Once the coolant has drained completely, close the radiator drain plug. Dispose of the used coolant properly. Install the lower splash shield. Lower the car to the ground. Unblock the wheels. Remove the right side inner fender splash shield. Rotate the belt tensioner clockwise using a wrench on the pulley bolt to release tension on the drive belt. The tensioner can be locked in position by inserting a drill bit or other metal rod into the lock holes. Remove the drive belt from the tensioner and all accessories, noting how it is routed. Disconnect the electrical harness connector and battery cable from the alternator. Unscrew and detach the cable clip bracket on top of the alternator. Unclip and position aside the windshield washer reservoir. Remove the alternator mounting bolts. Remove the alternator. Lower the car to the ground. Unblock the wheels. Remove the water pump mounting bolts. Separate the pump from the housing. If the pump is stuck, gently tap it with a soft-faced hammer or carefully pry it loose to break the gasket seal. Be prepared for some coolant to spill out as the gasket seal is broken. Remove the water pump from the engine. Remove all old gasket material and clean the mating surfaces on the water pump and the engine block. Install a new gasket onto the water pump. Using a light coat of RTV sealant on the gasket and the pump mating surface may help keep it better aligned when installing to the engine. Carefully guide the water pump into the engine and install it, threading the mounting bolts into place. Tighten the water pump mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Install the alternator onto the mounting bracket. Install the alternator mounting bolts. Tighten the mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Connect the alternator electrical connections. Install the harness bracket onto the alternator. Tighten the battery positive cable nut on the alternator securely. Reposition the windshield washer reservoir and secure it with the clip. Install the new drive belt, making sure that it's properly routed among the pulleys. Rotate the tensioner slightly clockwise. Remove the metal rod, then slowly release the tensioner to apply tension to the belt. Install the right side inner fender splash shield. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely. Slowly refill the radiator with the specified coolant until the coolant reaches the lip on the radiator filler neck. Install the radiator cap. Add coolant to the reservoir up to the lower mark. Then install the reservoir cap.